Hello guys, today we are going to start new video series about Git and GitHub. As a start, let me introduce what is Git. Git is version control system that primarily used to manage code bases. Git allows multiple developers to work on projects simultaneously without overriding each other's changes. It keeps history of all changes, making it easy to roll back to previous version if needed. Imagine you are developing software system that has some version, something like version 1, version 2 and version 3. After you develop version 3, you realize version 3 is not going to work. So you need to roll back to version 2. So by using Git, you can easily do that without any hesitation. Git operates on local repository, which means you can commit changes to your project without needing internet access, and later push these changes to remote repositories such as GitHub, GitLab when you are online. In this video series, we are going to discuss most commonly used Git terminologies such as commit, branch, merge, pull, fork, push, and many more. So I invite you to watch all the videos to get good understanding of Git and GitHub. Thank you.